Lynn's unboxing part 2. Here we go. Part 2. Oh.
Oh, I know what it is now. Let's see.
Oh.
Is this a bench?
Yeah, it looked like a bench. Oh. Dang.
Wow.
Oh. Dang. Oh. So what is it, Lynn?
I need a bench for this thing. Fuck. What is this? You want me to sit down and play a horn or something? A trombone? This is a trombone?
He teasing us people.
Telescope? I can't have no telescope with headphones. Oh man, screws and stuff. Assembly required.
So just tell us what it is.
Look like a telescope, people.
Oh no, it's not a telescope. Tell us the truth, what it is.
Y'all want me to sit down and show y'all the stars. I'll blog for y'all some stars and stripes.
I see your hand. Is that a ring finger? Where's that finger?
Yeah, it's my wedding gift.
Oh.
This is my wedding gift from you.
I'm no player. I am not getting a man a ring. Oh, it don't work like that.
It does.
A wedding, ask the man to marry me or never.
A special one, y'all. Open this one. Damn. I'm sweating and whatnot, trying to see what's in here.
This can run out of space too. Oh, a keyboard. Oh, now that's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh, can you play? Hey, Lynn, can you play? He can hear people. I said, Lynn, can you play?
No.
Yes, you can. You know you told me you can't play. Yes, you can. He got people. He can do it all.
I got it. Wow.
I can't wait. I want that love song.
Let me see. Let me see if this thing works. Got to tear open the box. If it don't work, I got to take it back. Rock Jam. Rock Jam, hashtag Rock Jam. Y'all piano makers. If it don't work, take it back. Rock Jam. Let me plug it up. I gotta get the extension cord.
Unplug all the phones. Oh, with the eyes. Yeah, he get extension from where? It's like that, man. Things working. Oh.
I don't know how to play nothing, y'all. So I'm just, this is just a toy. So.
I told y'all he could do it all.
That ain't nothing. Okay, turn it off.
Okay. Bye, y'all.